Close your eyes and take several deep breaths. Scan your body for any areas of tension and release this tension by breathing into those areas. As you relax deeper, feel the flow of energy in your body. Fill any remaining tense areas of your body with pink light. Breathe in the pink light and release the tension on the exhalation. Notice the ease and the release of tension with each breath. I invite you to let go, ease down, and relax even deeper now. Feel the unconditional love, pleasure, and healing power of this pink light as it fills your energy field and radiates out of your body. This energy feels good, and it is comforting. As you relax and ease down into your body, you will begin to feel at home in yourself. Now, forgive the past, release any hurts, and let yourself go deeper. As you continue to breathe in pink light, fill your energy field with the warmth of your own love. Feel your lower back relax and ease down as you release any pressure you feel to perform or be more than you are. Know that you are enough. Affirm that you are a child of God, worthy of love, prosperity, good health, and happiness. Ask for support in letting go of old thoughts that may haunt you with beliefs of unworthiness and self-loathing. Ask for help in knowing your wholeness, or to accept yourself as you are. Ask for help creating more balance, deeper acceptance, and abiding self-love. Feel your sense of oneness with life. Ask yourself, where and who is your community? Who are the people you resonate with? Where are the people who share your ideas and who support you in being and doing your best? Think of the greater human community of which you are a part. Envision happiness, fulfillment, and oneness for all people in your community. Feel blessed as you consciously create a sense of oneness with them. We are the people on the planet and part of an expanding network of consciousness capable of doing great good. Allow your spirit to shine in all places where people come together for a greater good. Bless them for their individual efforts and collective manifestation on behalf of the whole.